Hey, what's up guys? I'm back. It's Mario with Modern Vintage Lifestyles. And before I begin, I'd like to give a shout out to a few people. Brody, I met you at Viva, so I want to say what's up. Nice to meet you again. And also I want to give a shout out to Don Juan, to Daniel, and to Andrew. So thank you guys for watching and supporting me. Today's video is going to be on Royal Crown. There it is. Royal Crown review. And so, not the band, by the way. Anyhow, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on top of my Murray's for shine, and then I'm gonna let you guys know what I like about it and what I think about it. And so let me jump in the shower, I'll come back out, and we'll get this review started. All right, so here I am. I just jumped out of the shower, and take a look at how curly my hair is. All right, so it's pretty curly, but you'll see the wonders that Murray's does and why I love to use it, and then add shine on top of it with Royal Crown. So let me go ahead and towel dry it. That's good enough, just enough to, again, not have any water dripping on my face. Let's go ahead and take a look at that again. So it still has the waves now. It's not as curly because it still has a little bit of Murray's on it. Remember, whenever I take a shower, I use this every day, and whenever I take a shower, not all of it comes out, so it still has about 10% Murray's on it when I use it with Head and Shoulders. So let's go ahead and begin by combing my hair straight back. So I started a new can of Murray's this morning, so I'm going to go ahead and use this one here. Just a finger dab. Rub it all over my hands till my hands are covered with it, and apply it all over the top surface, as I always do, as I've been doing for the last 16 and on years. Alright, so now the Murray's is on top, and I'm going to go ahead and add a layer of Royal Crown with one finger dab. So I haven't used this one. This is a brand new can. I picked it up at Walmart for like $2, I think. And this is going to last me, well, I'm not going to use it every day, but it's going to last me years. And this thing is much more liquidy than the pomade, obviously. So this one, I touch it, it's like almost melty. Okay, so that's how I think that's even too much. And this thing gives you really high shine. This thing is shinier than Cocoa Soft. Okay, so again, rub it all over your hands and then apply it right over the top, and you can see the instant shine I get. I'll go ahead and give you a 360 view in a minute. I want to make sure it's all off my hands and on my hair. There it is. And so I'm going to give you the 360 view. Alright, and now let me wash my hands and let's comb my hair. I love the shine on this. It makes the lines when I comb my hair straight back straighter for some reason, it seems like. It just adds a little bit more volume to my hair. Makes it look blacker, it feels like. So I made my part right there. Almost done. Done. It's like a 2-minute hairstyling right there. Okay, so here it is. And there's a top view. What I love about Royal Crown is that it never fails giving you a shine, a bright, shiny shine. And of all the shine products, I like this one the best as far as shine is. The scent is not as good as the black and white or the Cocoa Soft, but the shine is much better for sure in that category. And so I think all three products, the Cocoa Soft, the black and white, and the Royal Crown, are things that you should try out and have in your medicine cabinet and switch it up here and there and see what you like best. I use all three, and in addition to Brill Cream, and I have another one that I just bought. It's called Vitalis. Let me show you. This one's a product from like the 20s or 30s, which can also be found at Walmart, by the way. So I'm going to be doing a video on that next. And I love that Walmart has all these products. It has Murray's Pomade, it has Brill Cream, it has this thing here, Vitalis, and it has Royal Crown. So you can't go wrong. Just get all your man products for hair at Walmart. You could do all that for under 10 bucks. So I hope you like this video. Thank you always for watching. And thanks for the support. Please share this video. Thanks, and see you next time.